This is a piece of a microwave, the inside. I took it apart for scrap metal. And, oh, my shoelace. I deserved that. And, yeah, that's something that'll burn, right? Guts of a microwave. Oh, am I filming this horizontally? Crap. I'll have to fix that later. Yeah, that's part of the guts of the microwave. It's like a plastic thing that directs the fan over the transformer to prevent overheating. And it's in there. And it's burning. Perhaps. The footsteps of me just doing that, just going.